try to find chickens. It looks like Little Mac and Hippo are about to fight. Not on the bar, boys. Oh, shoot. That was a try to mount, I think. You can mount his first head. Oh, shoot. No, don't fight her in the head. No bad boy. Bad boy. No fighting. Let her out of the box. You can mount her, but only if she submits to you. I guess you can say no to that. Ah, no. No, be nice to her. Be nice to her. Yeah, get him. Get him. He's being a meanie. Now you jump on the ball. Ah! Head's falling off the roosting bar. Good job. You fertilized an egg. You're all red beauty fighting, Snow White. Shouldn't you want to eat more? Now you're just going to sit on the ground? Yay. There. Hey! No fighting! Bad girl! Hopper the hopper. Out in the wide, wide world, the chickens are very busy. And the last cockerel, the cockerel that's the farthest away, looks like it's Frosty. To make a rescue on video, any guy over here? No.